D007 from GearBest. What a shitty quadcopter. Even the simplest thing as connecting battery takes forever. And this camera, it films 720p HD, but skips frames every few seconds. And viewing angle, all you can see is grass. Even climbing higher doesn't add much. So, I guess it's fixing time. Remove battery lid entirely, replace camera with 808 keychain HD, or I will use Mobius just to show maximum video quality. Wow, I can see the whole stadium now. And check this video smoothness, no wobbling or jello. D007 flies surprisingly stable. I'm using low rates, and let's rock on a high rates now. Sweet! One button flips, and it's so fast and responsive. Climbs over stadium in no time. Quite durable too. Flies again like nothing happened. I think it would make a great mini FPV quad with attached small FPV system under 20 grams. To sum up, stock camera is unusable on this quad, fiddly battery compartment unless cover with stock camera are removed. But it flies great with 808 keychain camera or a small micro FPV system. Dual rates offer super stable flight for video and sweet speed for FPV or crazy flying. Thanks for watching, thumbs up, subscribe for more video like this, and see you next time.